Hello and welcome! Today we'll be making these candy corn broom earrings in celebration of Halloween. Grab your witchy supplies and let's do it! Roll out 2 balls of brown clay until they are long and thin, one side coming to a point and the other side slightly thicker. These will be our broomsticks. Make sure they are both the same size, and then use your tissue blade and slice in grooves from one end to the other. Repeat this around the entire broomstick. Roll the pointed end down into a swirl shape. And then bend and shape it however you would like. A witch's broomstick has many curves in it. Roll out your white, yellow, and orange clay until it is long and thin. And then cut off pieces that are of equal length. You'll need 24 of each color. Divide each color into 2 piles of 12. Take one piece of white, orange, and yellow clay and roll them so that they are flat and kind of look like itty bitty pills. Connect the ends of each color together and then gently roll so they attach themselves to each other. They'll kind of look like candy corn sticks. Make 12 for each broomstick. Once you've made all of your candy corn sticks, begin placing them around the bottom of the broomstick. If you are enjoying this video or any of my videos, please hit that subscribe button. I do post videos twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday. Gently roll to attach the clay pieces together. Use a needle tool or a toothpick and arrange your bristles however you would like them to look. Pre-poke your eye hook holes and place your eye hooks in. Roll out a piece of yellow clay until it is long and thin, and then wrap this around the bristles on the broomstick. Cut off any excess clay and then attach the 2 ends together. Mix up a little bit of orange, white, and yellow clay. And then roll it out until it is long and thin. Cut off a piece. Bend it over on itself. This will be the top loop for the bow. Make a second loop. Cut off 2 equal sections and place this at the bottom of the loop. This will be the string for your bow. Cut off a piece and roll it into a ball, and then place it in the middle of the 2 loops. Use a needle tool to poke a hole in the middle. Bake your pieces. Take some white paint and paint the entire broomstick. Be sure to fill in all the cracks and crevices we made. Once the paint has dried, use a damp soapy cloth to wipe off all the excess paint. Glue in your eye hooks and resin your pieces. To assemble your pieces, all you'll need is a jump ring and an earring stud. And your sweet candy corn broomstick earrings are done. Please check back tomorrow and every day for the month of October. I am posting 31 videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!